To access the myHub daily close functionality, first go to myhub.sitelink.com through your browser. That could be on a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Log in to the left-hand side of myHub, put in your corporate code, location code, username, and password. Once logged in, you can highlight Daily Close on the main screen and/or go to Operations and then Daily Close. Once in the Daily Close screen, this option allows you to close the day, similar to the SiteLink Web Edition program where you type in your amounts for your cash, check, debit, or credit card. If we type in 0 for cash in this example, and then click in another field, we realize that there is a difference. The actual amount of cash that was taken since the previous close was 100. But since we typed in 0, it should have been 100, so it's telling us that with the difference. In this example, we'd want to type in 100 because that's what we actually took in for our cash. Click in a different field, and now we can close the day. Not all of the functionality that you are used to in the Web Edition is in the myHub Daily Close. For example, you cannot do a ledger adjustment. There are some reports that are not in this screen. This is a trimmed down version of the Daily Close. In terms, however, of facilitating the close, the majority of the time, you're simply putting in the amount of money that you've taken in and closing the day. But if you need to look at different reports that you are used to in the SiteLink Web Edition, or you want to make a ledger adjustment, you will need to do that through the Web Edition program. This works similar to the auto close in that if you happen to have put in a ledger adjustment prior to closing the day through the Web Edition, this is going to let you close independent of that ledger adjustment. If you have your system set up to auto close at midnight, that process currently is not taking into account ledger adjustments. The ledger adjustments will take effect the next time you manually close the day. So be aware that not all of the features that you're used to in the Web Edition are in the myHub version. The basics or core functionality of putting in your values and closing the day are here. There are some reports available, the daily payment report, payment activity, and receipt details. We're going to close the day for 100 in this case. Once it's closed, it's going to tell you success, your day is now closed, and you can view the daily close report. Click the button, and there is your daily deposit, which is the same report that you're used to in the Web Edition. When you close the day from this screen, this will also update in the SiteLink Web Edition program. Both myHub and SiteLink Web Edition talk to each other. Close the tab by clicking on the X, and now we're back in our myHub screen.